Well, g'day, Curd Nerds. Just a quick one to say thank you all so much for subscribing to our channel and joining me on my cheese making journey. Yes, we've just reached 100,000 subscribers, which is miraculous in itself, and it just goes to show the passion out there from fellow cheesemakers that really does make me feel very humble as a home cheesemaker. So we'll obviously keep going, and there are a lot more cheeses to make, that's for sure. And I haven't run out of ideas or recipes just yet. So hopefully onwards and upwards to 1 million subscribers is my next goal, and we see how we'll go from there. Anyway, as always, thank you so much for watching. Without you guys and girls, or Curd Nerds, I should rightly say, without you people watching, then there is no channel. So thanks very much. And stay cheesy.